Hey, what is up guys? It's HighBreakButter11 finally back at you with another Minecraft train tutorial. Today we are going to be learning how to build the BNSF coal car. If you want to take a good look at it, here's what it looks like. So yeah, let's get straight into building this. Just quickly, let me just make it so that you all can actually see the build. So yeah. I think I set it to sunrise, did I? Yeah, I did. Okay. So what you're going to do is you are going to take your your hoppers and place 4 on your tracks just like this. And then you're going to take nether brick slab and just fill all this in. Just like this. Alright. Then you're gonna take dark oak slab and bring this 5 across, or 3, 2 across on either side, so that's 5. Yeah. And then, actually no, I lie. Only make it 3, and then place another netherrack, just like that. And then you're gonna place an a dark oak wood fence on both sides. All right. So now you're just gonna make this. Bring this out by 1 on each side. Okay. Now you're gonna take your nether brick slab, and you will bring this back to 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 blocks. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, just like that. Now place another brick just like this on either side. And then a hopper just like this. Boop, 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 and boop. Okay, now we're going to make the little chutes for the hopper. So you're going to skip a block here and place 3, and then bring that out by 2 on both sides, just like this. Then you're gonna skip 2, do it again, 1, 2, 3, and then skip another 2, and 1, 2, 3. So you should have a gap of 1, and then 2 and 2, if you've done it correctly. Okay, just like this, and just like this. Okay. Now, you are going to take your dark oak planks and just bring this all the way along. And then, yeah, to where this wheel is. Then you're going to switch back to your dark oak slabs, bring this 5 across, and then bring this one 3 across. Dark oak fence on either side, and then 1 nether brick right there. Then you're just going to bring this back along, just like this. And then cover up this part so that you can't see inside of it. And then this part, you're going to take your dark oak slab and just fill in all of this. Not like that. Just the bottom level, so that this will create the inside of the car. Just like this, so that it will look like this on the inside. Okay. Now, on this block right here, you're going to bring it up by 3, I believe. 1, 2, 3, yep. So 1, 2, so just like that. And then you're going to bring it out by 1. And you're going to bring this along, I do believe. Yep. Just bring it along like this and bring all of this up. Just like that. Fill in this block. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take your dark oak fence and place 3 upside down and then 2 rounded upside down ones. Just like this. Then you're going to bring your oak wood fence all the way up, so that it touches that, and so that it touches that. Then break that middle block and place a 3rd oak wood fence just like that. and then get your oak wood slab again. Just place one there and one there, and that is that and done currently. In fact, you're gonna break this out, not that, that, and these, and you're gonna make that curve in, I do believe. Yep. And then make this stairs as well so that it curves in. Alright, and now do the same on this side. So if it was too dark, then we're just going to bring this up by 3, 2, 3, 2, 3. Okay. Then you're just going to bring this along. Just build it up all the way. And then just like this, and then 3 normal upside downs, and one like this. I wonder if turning on my light will help this. Does that help? Kinda. Yeah, sort of. Alright, and then just bring this, place one right there, and one right there. Yeah, it's just making a shadow on the TV, so let's turn that back off. Okay. Now you're just gonna fill all this in right here on the sides. Modify this end so that it matches. So 3 right there and 3 right there. Now just bring this along. Just like that. And that is the main base of the coal car done. There will be a second video that I will upload later on how to make the conrail version of this car. So if you're going to build the conrail version, then just leave it at that. So that's that done. If you're going to make the BNSF version, then continue on with this. So now you're going to get your yellow concrete, go 1 down right here, and break out all of this. That includes those stairs. And then just bring this all the way along. And if you look at certain coal cars owned by BNSF specifically, then you will see that it has this yellow line going around, the yellow band. And then we're going to break out this, 1, 2, 3, break it, 1, 2, 3, break it, 1, 2, 3, break it, 1, 2, 3, and break it. So that it should look like that, and just like that. Do that on this side as well. So, should be there actually. Then 1 in the middle, then 1 on this side, and then 1 right here. Alright, now you're going to take black concrete and just place 1 right here on both sides. I believe it's the same. Oh, never mind. Okay. This one actually goes on this side over here. Just like that. And then this one goes over here. Just like that. Alright. Now we will grab stone buttons and just place 1 on either side of these yellow markers. Just like that. That should look like that. Do that on this side as well. So 1 there, then 2, 2, 2, and that's it. Alright. Now we're going to take white concrete right here and go over here, and then on either side of this block just place 2 white ones there. It says BNSF if you're wondering. And then 1 right there and there. Okay. Now I'm going to show you how to make the banners for this. And so what you're going to need is you're going to need bone meal, So just grab a stack of that. You're gonna need cocoa beans. So grab a stack of those. And you will need a brown banner. Well, four brown banners at that. Just like that. Okay, it only grabbed one for some reason. So now you're gonna go into your crafting table just like this. This is gonna be letter B. So place one like that. Then just place it along the top. Then you will do it along the side. Just like that. And then along the bottom. And then along this other side. Just like that. And now one line in the middle. And then you're going to make an outline with cocoa beans to give it that brown border that we need to make it look more classy, I guess. And that is how you make the B right there. Let me change it back to day again, just like that. Alright, now we're going to make the N. So what you're going to do, you're going to place one right there. You're going to place 3 on the side. Did not mean to do that. 3 on the side, just like this. Okay. Then you're going to place it in the corner. Doesn't matter which corner. And then just place 3 diagonal like that. And then you're going to make straight again. And now you're going to just make the border around it once again, just like we did on the B with the cocoa beans, just like this. Oops. Okay, just like that. And now you have your N for BNSF. Now we're going to make the S. So place one right there. And then place 3 along the bottom. Just like this. And then 3 along the top. Just like this. And then put it in, and then put the banner in the corner and make 3 diagonal again. And I understand it looks more like a Z than an S, but it's Minecraft. You can only do so much. Live with it. And so, without my dogs and cats going mad upstairs, there you have your S. And now we're going to make the F, which is probably the easiest out of all of them. Place banner in the middle, 3 along the side, just like that. Now, place it right there, 3 along the top, and now place it on the bottom again, and 3 in the middle. And then make the outline around it. Right there. And now you have all 4 of your letters for BNSF. So if you just want to get rid of that. Alright. So what you're going to do is, so you're going to go to your second like little thing, and that will have the S above it. And then I'm pretty sure you can just picture how it would be. So just like that. So the S will go on top of the second yellow. Same goes for this side, so S goes on top of the yellow, and then F and B. And that is it, guys. That is how you make the BNSF coal car. Hope all of you have enjoyed this tutorial. If you want me to make more Minecraft tutorials again, then please tell me in the comments below and what I should do. I'm still thinking about making a tutorial on how to modify Crafty Fox's war bonnet to make it look like this. This is just Crafty Fox's BNSF war bonnet, except modified a bit so it looks more realistic. But anyways, guys, hope all of you have enjoyed. This is HighBrickButter11 signing off. See you later, guys. Bye.